Now, as Xiaomi has launched its Xiaomi 17 series, which grabs quite a good attention thanks to the unconventional design of the Pro models. However, the brand has yet to unveil the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, which may not be as fancy as Pro models but will be a camera beast smartphone. And guess what? One of the most reliable sources has shared its quad camera details. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, going by the details shared by the well-known digital chat station, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will have three 50-megapixel cameras alongside a 200-megapixel sensor. So, a total of 4 cameras on its rear. This is unlike some early rumors which were suggesting a Xiaomi 17 Ultra with a triple camera setup. Now, though Xiaomi is style-lipped on this, but considering digital chat station is a big name in a world of leaks, so for now we go with him. Anyway, as per the tipster, the main camera will feature a large sensor sporting a very high dynamic range. So it will be able to capture more details and contrast even in challenging lighting situations. Whereas the periscope sensor, which is rumored to be 200 megapixel, will sport a new optical technology. Now, though he didn't explain that new tech, but if we look back, the same tipster claimed the Xiaomi 17 Ultra's periscope sensor will offer a continuous optical zoom, similar to the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. So instead of a fixed optical zoom like we used to see on most smartphones, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will allow the user to get an optical zoom range instead of a single fixed optical zoom. So for example, if Xiaomi offers continuous optical zoom between 3 and 7 times, you will get optical zoom between this range no matter what you select. For the other two cameras, which we presume will be the ultra wide and a normal telephoto, tipster says they will follow a casual configuration. Moving on, the tipster also shares some interesting information about the handset, and according to that, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will arrive in 2 versions. And as per the digital chat station, only the higher end version will offer some innovative photography capabilities. Possibly, I think it will be about the optical zoom unit. So things are getting interesting about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Anyway, in terms of other major specs, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will make use of Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a 6.8 inches LTPO display, and will also support satellite connectivity. Of course, I will keep you updated on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra as we are expected to get a look at the handset soon. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.